Welcome. If you want to activate Hey Google of your Google Assistant in Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, at the first you have to get update of your Google app. So let's move to the Play Store, and if you got here the update button, you have to hit it, and after that we can open app. Next, move for the more, tap on the settings and go for the voice. When we are here, we have to go for the voice match, and to activate Hey Google we have to tap on the switcher, click next, then tap on this marker a few times. And as you can see, our assistant already can recognize voice, but in your case you will get this circle and you have to say OK Google and Hey Google for the few times, and after that your Google Assistant will be ready. So click continue, and that's how it looks. Just take a look here, Hey Google, and as you can see it is working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.